In celebration of 25 years of Rwanda-Netherlands cooperation, a Dutch delegation spearheaded by the Ambassador of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in Rwanda, His Excellency Matthijs Wolters, visited members of the Legal Aid Forum on 1st June 2021, namely the Association of Genocide Widows Avega Agahozo, the Youth Association for Human Rights Promotion and Development Ajiprodojijukirwa, and Haguruka NGO. Also part of the delegation was the Ambassador of Sweden to Rwanda, Her Excellency Joanna Teague, and the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Justice, Mr. Theophile Mbonera. In the last 25 years, the Netherlands has supported the Rwandan government through sharing knowledge and expertise, providing budget support to the Ministry of Justice, training prosecutors, setting up legal aid clinics, construction of justice sector institutions, supporting trauma healing, and community-based social therapy initiatives, basically contributing to building and strengthening the entire justice sector. The Legal Aid Forum is amongst the organizations supported by the Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in Rwanda. Since 2007, the Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in Rwanda has allowed the Legal Aid Forum to make significant strides towards achieving equitable access to justice in Rwanda. The visit served as an opportunity for those present to learn more about the Legal Aid Forum and its members, as well as get first-hand testimonies on the impact of the forum and its members on the beneficiaries.
And
they sent her in courts.
During the visit, those present had testimonies from genocide widows, gender-based violence survivors, and teen mothers who have received legal aid from Legal Aid Forum and its members. The delegation began their visit from Haguruka, an ungovernmental organization that works to ensure that women claim their rights by empowering them. In particular, Haguruka works to combat gender-based violence and promote gender equality using national and international human rights frameworks. Haguruka works closely with the Legal Aid Forum through a referral system. Next was Avega, an organization that helps to integrate widows of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi back into the Rwandan community following the trauma they faced. Given their vulnerable state, genocide widows often suffer from various injustices. To address this, Avega institutes lawyers based in their regional offices in conjunction with community-based paralegals to assist citizens who have been victims of injustices. It is also under this directive that the Legal Aid Forum, through the Legal Aid Civil Society Fund initiative, supported the project Tubasingize, aimed to provide legal assistance to childless elderly widows. The Legal Aid Civil Society Fund is an initiative by the Legal Aid Forum with the financial support from the Embassy of the Netherlands in Rwanda that aims to support projects by LAF members that are innovative and forward-looking, which focus on the quality and accessibility of legal aid services in Rwanda. The last visit was to Ajiprodojijukirwa, a membership non-governmental organization that works to improve the rights of disadvantaged youth, women, and children in Rwanda through human rights promotion, protection, research, advocacy, economic empowerment, and strengthening capacity of civil society organization. Ajiprodojijukirwa also benefited from the Legal Aid Civil Society Fund for their project Access to Justice for Teen Mothers in Gatsibo District. This project is aimed to provide legal assistance to teen mothers, raise awareness of teenagers and community members on rights and access to justice processes, and to enhance preventive mechanisms. In his remarks, Maître Andrews Kananga, the Executive Director of the Legal Aid Forum, thanked the Embassy of the Netherlands in Rwanda for visiting LAF and its members and for the support the Kingdom of the Netherlands has been giving to the government of Rwanda, in particular to the Legal Aid Forum. He also acknowledged the role of the Embassy of Sweden in Rwanda in promoting good governance. During the visit, His Excellency Matthijs Wolters, the Ambassador of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in Rwanda, underlined that he was amazed by the impact the Legal Aid Forum and its members have had on the Rwandan community and their contribution to improving access to justice for all. This was also noted by Her Excellency Joanna Teague, the ambassador of Sweden to Rwanda, who commended the work the Legal Aid Forum is doing for the Rwandan people. According to Theophile Mbonera, the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Justice, the positive impact of Legal Aid Forum is evident countrywide. The Legal Aid Forum is committed to working tirelessly towards securing equitable access to justice in Rwanda and will continue doing so.